Hello, bachcho. Let's read this question. The question says the number of real solution of the equation under root of 1 plus cos 2x equal to root 2 sin inverse sin x, and the interval is given minus pi less than equal to x less than equal to pi is. So, what is the key concept behind this? So, you have to write down the key concept behind this. You have to know the formula of cos of 2x. So what is the formula of cos of 2x? 2 cos square x minus of 1. Another thing, you have to know the curve of y is equal to, know the curve of y is equal to cos of x, and y is equal to x, and this concept is needed for the problem. Y is equal to minus of cos of x, and y is equal to x plus of pi. Okay, this is the line concept is needed, how to draw the curve. And another thing is needed, that y is equal to pi minus x. You have to know the key concept of all these cards. So now we move to the solution that is given here, that is under root of 1 plus of cos of 2x is equal to root 2 of sine inverse of sine x. What is your aim? You have to find out how many solutions are there. Okay, so now what is the formula of this one? 1 plus cos 2x is under root of 2 of cos square of x is equal to under root of the sine inverse sine x, means that is equal to x. So what we have to get here, that we get cos x is equal to x. Okay, so this is cos x is equal to x. Now we consider the interval for this case. This is we consider the case 1, or you can write down that is of case of 1. For case 1, the interval you can consider it is minus pi by 2 is less than equal to x less than equal to pi by of 2. Then the graph of, so you can write down that the graph of, what are the graphs is here, that is y is equal to cos x and y is equal to x, because this side is cos x, this side is x, intersect only. You just write down that intersect only one time. Okay, intersect only one time, because both the curves are intersect only one time. Okay, intersect only one time. So we get one real solution, one real. So you have to mark it, that one real solution for the interval. Which one? For the interval of this. Now we move to the second condition, that if the interval, you can write down that case 2, if the interval we consider that x is belongs to, now x is belongs to second interval, if you consider minus pi comma minus pi by of 2. Okay, if you consider this thing, so what we have to get, under root of 2 of cos square of x is equal to under root of sine inverse of sine of x. Okay, this one. So this thing we can write down, because the interval is this, so this one we write down minus of cos x okay, is equal to x plus of pi. Okay, x plus of pi. So now the two graphs we have to consider here. So you write down the graph. What are the graphs is here? That is y is equal to minus of cos x, and what is the another graph is here? That is y is equal to x plus of pi. Both of these cases for this and this. So these two graphs do not intersect. These two graphs do not intersect. Okay, if अगर ये इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करते हैं तो कोई भी रियल सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट इन द इंटरवल माइनस पाई कॉमा माइनस पाई बाय 2. Intersect, it is not in there, so there is no real solution. So no real solution. In the interval there is no real solution. Okay, there is no real solution. Now we move to the next case, that is of case 3. So you just write down that is of case 3. So we consider that the interval here for x belongs to what are the intervals you take here? That is of pi by 2 comma pi. Okay, pi by 2 comma, we have to take here pi by 2 comma of pi. Okay, pi by 2 comma of pi. For this case, so what is here? That is of 2 cos square of x is equal to root 2 of sine inverse of sine x. Okay, so this can be written as, for this part we retain the value of cos is minus cos x, and this one is pi minus of x. So the graph of, so again the same way, graph of y is equal to minus of cos of x and y is equal to pi minus of x intersect only one point. If you draw the curve, you see intersect at only one point, only one time, only one time. So we get one real solution. Again, one real solution in this interval. Okay, one real solution in this interval. So how many real solution you get? From there you get one real solution. Here we get one real solution. So how many? We get two real solution. So this option 3 is correct. Two real solution. So this option is correct. Two real solution. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.